Hey guys, so today it's time to put this awesome little guy in the washing machine. So sometimes, you might be a little bit forgetful and you put your phone in your pocket, just like this. And then you forget to take it out before you put the jacket in the washing machine. And let's make it as real life as possible. You put it like that and oops, you put it. Then you close this, you turn on your washing machine. You turn on your washing machine. I don't know how to use this shit, but apparently let's do it quick. 30 degrees. That's pretty fair, right? And then 400. Now, I think I'm good like that. And it's not cold water, it's 30 degrees. Just will it start, please? Here we go. So I don't know how long this will take, but I'm definitely gonna get back to you when it has been finished. When it's clean enough. Look at that, it's beautiful. Well, if this was an iPhone, I'm pretty sure it would be dead, but I have no idea how good Sony are. Look at that, it's a waterproof phone, you know? Boom. So let's have a look at the time. It's 11:34. I'm gonna get back in 10 minutes and see what has happened. See you guys there. Well, it has only been 2 minutes, but look at that. It makes a hell of a noise down there. You can just hear that phone, so if this had to happen in real life, you would probably hear that your phone is inside. Boom, boom. I really hope it doesn't crack it up. Maybe 10 minutes is too long. Let's have a look a little bit later. See ya. Well, it has been banging in there for a few more minutes, and damn, I'm pretty sure that phone has been cracked up. Look at that. Boom, boom. Poor phone. This is pure torture. Well, thankfully I haven't put in any soap, but usually you'd probably do that. It seems like the jacket is pretty clean now. Well, almost 8 minutes and I'm gonna get it out from there. Let's see. 41. Let's wait for 42. Da 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 da. There we go, let's get the shit out of that. So, how do we do that? Probably press pause. Can't we get it out? Oh my gosh. It won't even open. Well, I'm gonna fix that shit and I'm gonna be back in a moment. So I've been waiting, haven't opened it yet, but I think it's ready to get out of there. So let's do this. Here we go. Where are you, little phone? Oh my god, the jacket is pretty wet. Like for real. Oh my gosh. This is really wet. Really. Where is the phone? Oh my god. Don't say it's out of there. No, it's in here. Let's put that back in. And here we go. This is the phone after being in the washing machine. It smells pretty clean. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It still works. Let's dry it off. Here we go. Look at that. And that's how you make a waterproof phone. Good job, Sony. That's pretty awesome. So that was a quick little video, guys. Hope you enjoyed.